Welcome to the Verdugo Woodlands Robotics Club instruction for a Move Forward My Block. First, you need to start with an untitled page to build your My Block for moving forward. The first block to use comes from this grouping here, and it's the reset block. And just drag the reset block in this position here, and it resets your counters. The next block is from this grouping, and it comes from the data block. This next block is the math block. This math block is right here, and just click on it, drag it up, and put it beside the reset block. The third and final block for this one is also from this grouping here, but it comes from the common area here, and it's for the move block. And just put that right beside the other two blocks. And it indicates that both motors C and B will be moving, indicating that this is the move forward. Both motors are going straight and helping the bot move forward. So these three blocks make up the very simple version of a My Block for the bot to move forward. The next thing to do is to input your values in order to do your calculations. To input your variables, go back to the data block and pull up the variable block. It's this suitcase here, and put it in the area down below, not with the other three. This logic block needs to be switched to a number block because you'll input a number, and just click that down here below here. The next one, you'll do the same thing. You pull another variable suitcase block down here, and this will be the input value for your power. Okay, so you have these two blocks here. This is going to be your input information. Drag, all you need to do is drag your mouse across from the pound sign all the way up to input A of your math block. So this inputs your information from this area into your math block, and what it calculates at this point will come out of the result area here and go into, jumping ahead, coming into the move block. In order to get the information down from the move block, click on this bar right here, and it pulls all this information down here. This is your power block that we'll be using, or power section, and this is the duration section. The output from your math block will come out from the pound sign here and go to the duration. Just drag that along here and let go right at this duration area. Now, this logic block also needs to switch to number, and the value needs to be going into the power area. So just drag your mouse across here from the pound sign and let go over here in the power, and it connects that line here. Alright, so back to the math block, input your information. So in the math block here, move down to the operation, switch from addition to multiplication, and what this is going to do is then multiply the value that you calculated for your bot to move 1 centimeter, the degrees to move 1 centimeter. In my case, I'll use the example that I have on my bot, and it's 27 degrees to move 1 centimeter. I'll put the value 27 into B, and that's all you need to do here. Click on your move block, motors B and C, making sure that both B and C are checked and that the arrow moving up is also checked. Steering is right in the middle. Power can be at 75, it's fine. Duration, you want to switch to degrees because that's what it's using to calculate. And that's all there is to it. Now, to save your My Block, highlight only the top 3 blocks, not your input blocks. Just drag your mouse across those and you'll see they're highlighted, all 3 of these. Click up here to save your My Block, and you can save your My Block in this little area here. I will call this one Master Forward, and click Finish when you're done. I'm overriding because it already exists, but save that, and now you have a Master Forward My Block, and that's all there is to it.